through the forest to hunt for wild things to study and photograph. Come with me on the adventure and I'll show you some of the amazing things I found along the way. Wait until the end of the video if you want to see the best shots captured on this trip. Without any further delay, here are my top favorite photos that I took on this adventure. So, there you have it. I took a journey through the forest and found some beautiful things. Each and every day these amazing creatures are out in the earth waiting to be discovered, studied, and admired. Who knows what you'll find on your next trip outside? Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, like or subscribe, and if you have any suggestions on how I can improve or have an idea on what you would like to see next, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep adventuring, keep exploring, and keep wondering about the wild world.